The street photographer Joel Mayowitz once said that photographers are just magicians with cameras. As entertainers, we want to create that moment of connection with our spectators, a snapshot that they'll remember for a lifetime. As a visual close-up performer, I want that moment to look nothing less than real camera trickery. In this project, I'm going to share with you my work on social media coin magic, all created for the real world. All of these moves and routines are based around one core palm, a palm which, if you're new to coin magic, might seem like it can only be done on social media. But I'm here to show you it can be way more.
Oh my God!
Along with my core applications for this palm, I'm going to teach you 3 of my most visual, non-gimmicked coin routines. Routines that can easily slot into your own performing repertoire. With multiple camera angles and our wonderful Dave system, learning this project has never been easier. I like to think that there's something in this project for everyone, from a beginner to an experienced coin worker. So why not make your magic the most visual that it can be by making it look like real camera tricks? Come and join me for Rule of Thirds.